Hi, my name is Wojtek. I'm the co-owner of Scorpion Computers. We are a full-service repair and IT company that has been proudly serving the greater Philadelphia area since 2007. Our goal is simple: to provide the best computer repair and IT service available at affordable prices and quick turnover times. Our top priority is your complete satisfaction and an unmatched customer service experience. As part owner of the company, I truly care about your business and your computer, and will work hard to make you one of my many happy customers. We can repair all Apple and PC makes and models and are experts in both Windows and Mac operating systems. We also specialize in smartphone repair, gaming console repair, video surveillance equipment installation, and more. Our IT services are geared towards small and medium-sized businesses and include setting up both wired and wireless networks and network support. We can come to your location to fix or pick up your computer, or you can drop off your computer at our store, conveniently located just minutes from Allegheny exit off of I-95. We can also diagnose and fix your computer using our remote access software, which means you don't have to move your PC at all. Our motto at Scorpion Computers is "We do computers right." So give us a call today at 866-376-9490.